Today we're making shrimp with grape tomatoes in a delicious butter sauce. It's truly chef's kiss. We're going to start by slicing grape tomatoes, shallots or red onion, and butterfly the shrimp by cutting a slit down the back. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. We're going to use fresh basil and then sear the shrimp in olive oil and butter. Cook 1 to 2 minutes on each side till nice and plump. Do not overcook the shrimp. Remove. Then add in your shallots. I used red chilies for a kick, garlic, white wine or broth, lemon zest, lemon juice, butter. Season with black pepper, chili flakes. Add in the tomatoes, the shrimp, top with basil, and that's it. Serve with a cold beer. It's so good. You gotta try it.